A lot of you that do follow me on other platforms know about this already. Hey everybody, it's Carol. So I sprayed water all over my shirt. If you see it wet, that's because it was wrinkled and I don't want to take the iron out, so I just go. That's what I do. So I hope it dries. I do have these little holiday earrings. I think I'll put them on. How have you been? Have you been good? Oh, looky, looky. My Christmas wreath. So, okay, so first I wanted to tell you what I've been doing. Okay, so we just have to backtrack so I can catch you up. I was looking for a group last year, a musical group, a karaoke group, a singing group, a fun group. So I Googled all that and I found this one group that I am in love with. First of all, Carol Rosenstein that runs her organization. She is like a little angel that fell out of heaven. So she formed this organization 11 years ago. It's called Mends Minds. Her husband had neurological problems and she couldn't get him to smile anymore. She couldn't get him to be happy. So she put him by the piano where he used to play piano. And he smiled and he played. And she realized that music mends minds. And music gives you that shot of dopamine. It's a natural drug that you get in your head after you sing a song or you join in with others.
My darling husband of 38 years, Erwin Rosenstein, got a diagnosis of Parkinson's for his 70th birthday. I watched him play the piano as he had done in the home for so many years, and all of a sudden he would resurrect. Music was pushing the chemical naturally in his brain to give him the lift that he needed. I decided to create Music Mends Minds as a step to introduce others of like-minded souls with diagnoses that had no cure. At least the music could make them happy in the interim.
When I met her, I was floored. And I said, I have to see where this takes me. She is a very loving, compassionate person. She makes you feel important. And when she gets up to speak at that band rehearsal, you could hear a pin drop. Everybody wants to hear what she has to say. And so every week I would head out to the rehearsals and we have a whole band and we have college students, UCLA students come to our band rehearsal. They play violins, they play bass cello, they play guitar, they sing, and they come and join us, and we're so blessed to have them. Now, some band members are stricken with either Parkinson's or neurological disorder, but they can still play. They can still play the drums, or they can still play the keyboard. And it's a beautiful thing. A lot of seniors that are stricken with neurological problems come with their caregivers, and their caregivers have a ball. Their caregivers dance with them. Everybody dances. Everybody has a blast. And I can't believe I found these people. I love every one of them. They all touch my heart. It was a whole new world when I found them. A whole new world. And I'm going to put a few clips for you, but let me show you some of the clips and you'll know.
Isn't she lovely? Big hand for Carol.
You got me rocking and a rolling, rocking a reeling, Barbara.
I got the girl to make you smile, but don't worry. nothing southernisms, jacking.
One for the money, two for the show, three to get ready. Now go, cat, go, but don't.
Dum 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 dee doo be dum 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 dee doo be dum 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 dee doo be dum. Wow 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 wow. Dum 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 dum.
And make you happy if you will only say the same. But if you leave me to love another, you will regret it all someday. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy.
Your love lifted me higher than I've ever been lifted before. So keep it up, quench my desire, and I'll be at your side forevermore. You know your love lifted me higher than I've ever been lifted before. So keep it up, quench my desire, and I'll be at your side forevermore. You know your love.
Isn't that amazing? I can't believe I found this wonderful, wonderful group of people. Every week, you just never know who's going to come through the doors. We have judges, lawyers, therapists, scientists, songwriters. We had a holiday concert this past week. My kids came, my grandkids came. We took up 2 rows in the church and we danced and we had a ball. And my kids and my grandkids love that I found something that I'm passionate about. Like, I just found my people. I found my people, just like I found you. This is why I still do YouTube. I do YouTube because I've got my people here. And it just makes me feel good. It's all about love. And I get love from doing my videos, from these beautiful women that follow me. And so you're all invited. If you come to California, you're all invited. And you just let me know. My email's down there under the video. Thank you so much for being here. You know I appreciate you more than anything. And I've been doing this for many years because of the love. And I hope you get love from me and know that I appreciate you very much. So I'll see you in my next video. Have a great night, a great day, and I love you all.